Good morning.
Good morning.
Day 5. Long day yesterday. Managed to get to the Bluebell Inn though at Ingleby Cross. We were down here to camp, but when we were having this pub meal, we got tent set up and everything. And when we were having this pub meal, I overheard the bar lady saying that they got 3 rooms booked and nobody turned up. So I inquired, and we discussed it and decided to get a room. So we left the tent up.
I
Slept
had
in
a really good sleep.
really good night's sleep. Nice shower and everything. Food superb last night and great again this morning.
Great company
I'll
again
put some,
as well.
yeah, great company. We met a couple of Scottish guys called Derek and Ross. Had a few beers with them.
Couple of Australian couples.
Yeah, and 2 Australian couples.
There's a lady also travelling on her own, isn't she?
Ali and Andrew and Luke and Nicole, was it?
That was good. Well done, you.
I think that might be right.
Shout out,
so
guys.
hi guys. Yeah, shout out. So not too bad for us today.
10 miles.
About 10 miles to
Beak Hills Farm.
Yeah, Beak Hills Farm, bed and breakfast. So we've had a bit of a lazier morning. It is just before 10 o'clock.
We've got some good ascent today. So
Yeah, good ascent. Steph's helped me with my feet because my left foot's in a bit of a mess. But yeah, apart from that, I'm raring to go, in good spirits.
at the moment.
So thanks again for watching.
See you at the top of the hill.
See you, bye. So we're coming up now at Ingleby Cross. You can just make out the ex-Ilby services where we were yesterday, where we crossed the A19. We've not gone very far, I just thought it were a good view. You can just see A19. Now making his way up through the woods. Got steep all of a sudden. Oh, it's decent walking though, this, isn't it?
Yeah, can't complain.
No, can't complain.
It's not as hot, so
Yeah, we're not as hot, a bit sheltered. So, winner. So when you've climbed up here, you'll reach this point. Nice view again. A19 in the bottom. And if you look west, wow, we've walked that. Everything you can see, walked it. Oh, right. So this is the start of the Cleveland Way. And it marks the start of the North Yorkshire Moors. We think. So the book says. We're ignoring the mileage. Anybody doing it, ignore the mileage on the wooden signs, because I don't know what they were thinking when they did it.
They didn't spend enough time at school
Yeah.
with a measuring stick.
Yeah. They needed one of them wheels what used to go measure meters. Right, keep climbing up. Just got to the top of the first up of today. There's a trig point, but we can't get to it to touch it, so we've pretended we've touched it because there's a barbed wire fence. Yeah.
Less glamorous version of the North Yorkshire Moors version of the 9 standards.
Yeah. Nice view up here. Can't quite see the sea yet.
Come on, see.
We've discovered that sheep are never happy. It's not as hot today. It's a little bit windy. So they're hiding from the wind now.
Just like us, always moaning.
Just like you. So we're about 4 miles in. Having a nice steady plod today. Taking it steady on the old feet. Nice walking so far though. A little bit up and down, but no crazy. It's a lot better now that temperature's cooler, isn't it?
Yeah, it's making the world a difference, isn't it?
Much better, yeah.
Yeah.
What would you say it is? What is it today? What's you saying? About 19?
16.
16?
Higher 18, so
Oh, right, yeah.
easy.
It's crazy how much the weather affects everything. Mood, obviously sweat, energy. Yeah. Oh. That's Highland cow and her baby. And a few more over the field. We have just come down, I don't know if you can see in the distance, the woods, the path. We've just come down from there into the bottom and now back up again. This today, up and down about 3 or 4 times I think. Sticks are definitely helping to keep weight off my feet. Seen loads of animals and wildlife today. Seen lapwings and a grouse that made Steph jump. Highland cows, sheeps, loads and loads and loads of butterflies. What's this farm called? Holling Hill Farm. Holling Hill Farm, it looks like there's a bit of an honesty box as well.
Just water.
Oh, just water, what does it say?
Nasty little hill, that.
Nasty little hill that, isn't it? Bottled water, 50p, that's kind. So thank you to the residents.
And eggs, if you want some eggs.
And they got eggs. Cluck and collect. That's what we saw on that other farm, innit? Yeah. Cluck and collect. Hey. Navigator leading the way. When we're on top of the hill, look miles away over here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All the way around, it don't look that far though.
You're going to regret saying that,
You're going to regret that,
yeah.
yeah. So I'll just come to this sign. 3 miles Carlton Bank. Carlton Bank is the highest trig point on the North Yorkshire Moors. Is it National Park? Yeah. You see these signs with abbreviations and then you have to Google what they mean. Because it's, what did it say? NY. Yeah, NYMNP. We're like, what's that mean? And up, up, up and away again. Whew. Getting steeper, aren't we?
Yeah.
wonder what views are going to be like at top. Hopefully it'll be worth it. Still going up. Oh, God, this goes on for quite a while, to be honest. Just keep thinking, head down, get to the top, drink of water. I might even have a bite to eat. Oh, well, looks like we're leveling off of there. Still, I know I've said that a lot today, still on the up. Can't be far from top though, I don't think. Great view. In the distance over there, that's where we came from, the other side of that. So up, down, up. I think we've got to go down before we go back up for that bit. Steph's just investigating whether this is clay top bank or Carlton bank, because there's two. One is slightly higher than the other, but I don't know if you can see, that is all of Middlesbrough and Teesside. We've got to go down and back up again for about the fourth time.
Yeah, this is Carlton Bank, this one.
This is Carlton Bank. So that's confirmation YouTube, Carlton Bank. Good walk so far. There's a cafe called Lordstone's in the bottom, I believe. It's about half a mile from here. So, feel good, apart from my left foot, just a bit sore. Steph's back's been giving her a bit of jip, but I hope you can see what we can see, because it does look mint.
Makes the climb worth it.
Yeah, it makes the up and down worth it. Right, we'll come back to you in a bit. Just arriving at Lordstone's Country Park. So, hoping to grab a coffee and then head on to B&B. Looks like a nice little place. If you were camping, looks like they serve food. Really nice cafe in here. They own a flock of belted, I forgot what she called them now. Belted summit cows. Really nice cafe. Definitely recommend. Coffee's here.
So I just would say we've got some more up and up. Right, Kathy, making friends. Look at that. I don't know if you can see over there. That's where we came from. And if you really, really, really try, you can still see A19. Look at that. Here comes me hero. This is on your feet. Big backpack on.
Yeah, can do. Why not?
Gotta love him. Hooray!
Foot's on fire. From Lordstones, if you're too tired to come up and over again, then this is an alternative route in the bottom.
We don't know where it goes though.
Right, it makes sense. I think. 'Cause accidentally, that's what I planned on GPS.
So this is the top after Lordstones. Look at that view. And then we're gonna go down, and then at the bottom we're gonna chuck a right, and then half a mile to Beak Hills Farm. Go on, the boy.
All I can say is, thank God we're not going up there today. I'll face it tomorrow.
Can you imagine?
Mañana.
I think we've begun that a tablet, a swear word tablet. Go on, Babby. I think
Beak
somebody's
Hills Farm.
done a bit of graffiti on there.
I know. We hadn't done that, by the way.
Why would you say that?
Because we hadn't done it.
Nobody would think that you did.
Oh. So, GPS says less than half a mile down here. I can manage that.
Bar-ram you, bar-ram you. Sheep be loyal, sheep be true, bar-ram you. It's the delirious time of the day again.
Them skittles kicked in.
Come on, ladies, bippity boopy. Totally chill. Yorkshire lambs are hard. You watering grass? Come on, you little hero. Last push.
I need a hero.
You are the hero. You got it.
Yeah, baby.
You got it.
It's the farmhouse, Beak Farm. Got washing online. Just had evening meal. Absolutely beautiful. It's I can't fault it. It's best shower we've had yet. Proper power shower and that. Really old school cooking. Woman's lovely. Great hospitality.